Introducing Vocal Intensive from Mastering.com. This is a brand new 6-week program designed to show you exactly how to get industry standard radio-ready vocals every single time without the frustration and aimlessness that often accompanies vocal production. Whether you're struggling to capture an authentic emotional performance, edit and layer your tracks, comp your vocal takes, or properly process your vocals with compression, EQ, saturation, or reverb, this 6-week program will cover it all. If you know anything about Mastering.com already, you know that we like teaching music production in reverse. We believe that understanding the destination is critical to understanding the process of getting there. And the same goes for vocals. If you want radio-ready, industry-standard vocals, you need to know why and how they sound radio-ready and industry-standard before you even attempt to get yourself there. So in true Mastering.com fashion, this vocal intensive program will start where we always start, at the end. In weeks 1 and 2, we'll start by analyzing some completely finished vocal tracks and compare what distinguishes a professional vocal from an amateur one. We'll use this end-in-mind perspective to then dive into the nuances of vocal capture, editing, and production, and give you some practice tracks to start working on. Then in weeks 3 through 6, we'll cover mixing, then editing, then production, and then recording. You'll also get access to loads of practice tracks throughout the 6 weeks so you can implement what you're learning in real time using real-world examples. But best of all, this isn't just an online course that you go through. It's a full-on mentorship program complete with one-on-one mentor calls with our team of engineers every single week for the 6-week duration. That means you'll get direct access to coaching and support through the entire process so you can ask questions, bring your tracks for review, and get mentorship from a team of professionals. Click the link in the description below now to learn more about the Vocal Intensive. This program starts June 3rd and we're closing enrollment Monday, June 2nd. We don't plan on running this intensive again until at least 2026, so if you're interested, click the link in the description below to learn more. All right, I hope to see you on the inside.